Going on, everybody? ProTrader Mike, founder of the Mojo. Hope everyone's doing good today. That's what we got going on. Let me put on my glasses so I can see the action from Inaction on APT. No way! I went to go heat my coffee up for a Heinz 21. It's 22.50, dudes. Look at this, dudes. I'm like, I'm buying Heinz 21 right here, dude. Look at this move. Look at this move right there. Holy kabamshies. It's a 22.50. Made the move through 21 in rail grind. Look at this super duper chairlift right here. In a 95 STO rail grind. Bang through. The biggest bar of the day is the 21 Heinz. Look at that Heinz. I can't believe it. Wow. Wow. Look at that, man. Damn. 22.80. It's going to 23 now. The app, they make the face masks for the corona. Everyone in the US is going to be walking around like everyone in China and Wuhan wearing them masks. But you know the difference? Dude, we got to get with like the designer company that makes some designer ones, and like Gucci and things, like people be wearing some fancy ones. Oh, like Ricky does. Ricky Gutierrez. I seen him with them, dude. Look. He's the techno buds, dude. He's the rich techno bud. Rich, hey, where is he? Techno Bud Solutions. Where is he? He's not even coming up. A different guy's coming up. There he is. Where is he? He ain't coming up. Yeah, man, he's got these cool, like, you know, when you ride in that motorcycle, those cool face masks. That's what APT does. APT, they make them face masks. But they need a new website, dude. Their website is terrible. Their website hasn't been updated since the Ebola virus, man. Check it out. Let's check it out. You got APT stock website. Check this baby out, man. They freaking Alpha Pro systems right here. Get to it from Yahoo. No, that's APTY. APT. Right here. That's not it either. APT. Those other stocks must get a lot of action, man, because they come up on that in the search. Look, 22 bucks. Mojo picked it. 3. $14 million in masks will be fulfilled right there. See? Everyone's wearing the masks, man. See, the stock rose from a low of 320 APT. Want to see my swing pick on that when it came out in the newsletter? Check it out right here. Got a couple of times we've played APT. The first time, I'll put it in the chat room. First time we played APT. This is it. Is on the Ebola virus. This was on 11/17 of 2014. I traded this stock. See it? And here was the trade play. Right there. Okay. So you could see on 11/14 of 2014, played the stock in the Mojo chat room. It only traded 1,500 shares. And it was right here at Heinz 3. See it? It's right here at 3. It's been to 10. You could see the kind of run it makes. APT. So in past history, it went from 3 to 10 in 4 days. So it went from 3 to 10 again. And now it went from 3 to 22. So history repeats itself. And if you were a member of the Mojo Swing Trade newsletter, you got it then, and you just made it more in it now. This was the pick on 11/17 of 2014. Mojo Swing Trade. You got this APT. You bought the first one at 290. Your high buy is 3. Your average is 295. If it goes lower, you're going to buy again at 285. If it goes higher, you're going to buy at 302. A 10% win is 325. Up to a 50% win is 443. That went out to those members right there on that Mojo Swing apparatus. And then a couple of days later, right here on 11/25, the stock right here gets filled for the buy on 11/25. See, it hasn't made its move yet. It's 282. We're still in. Hasn't made any move yet. And then all of a sudden, right here on 11/25, it starts to pick up at the end of the day on 2.4 million shares. Closed Marabuzu. So the next day, it should go up higher. And from knowing all of that, it does. It trades 4.4 million shares. And then 331 by 333 opens up huge, huge, huge the next day. And then right here, you're looking at guys like this, that on 11/25 of 2014, ProTrader Shri for the Mojo Swing Trade. Thanks, Mike. Apt was an awesome trade today. Thanks for putting money in my wallet. You're awesome. And that was in 2014. So you can see I got a lot of nice background on the app. And then I nailed it again right here, the Alpha Pro Tech at $2 on May of 2016. It was 2. I think it's going to do the same move and break up over that. Got 17.9 in the float. They did a couple of earnings, and Alpha Pro Tech again going to make a little bit of a move right there. And APT, there's the other look at it right here. Stock goes to 6 from the 2. So you see how the kind of nice move these things make right here. Alpha Pro Tech, boom, 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 boom. Company supplies, it supplies the masks, man. When that shit trades, that shit really trades, man. And then nailed it again right there. The APT on January 23rd. Said, dude, Mojo picked this one before when the scare airborne was the Ebola. 3 days it tripled, just as I showed you. It could do the same now. NVAX, Apt, and Lake. NVAX was $7, $6. NVAX today is 12. It's gone up 100%. These other ones have gone up 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 800, 1,000% on Codex. Nailed the 1,000% winner on CODX. CODX is another one that Mojo has owned for a very, very, very long time. You could see back here, before any kind of scare on Ebola virus, Mojo picked this baby up on November of 2019 for the earnings because they did a 500% increase to break $2 on Codex at 95 cents. Codex is today's big winner in the stock market at $22. The high on Codex is, 1967. Today's high on Codex, right here. 1967 on Codex. There it is, the high. Mojo don't mess around. Mojo plays these stocks all the time. Not the first time. All the time. That's what the Mojo's doing. Now we got this one. iBio. I picked it right here on February 7th, last week. 36 cents. Got an increase of 480 up, volumes up 84% to 26 million. Looking for a move high to 58 cents and 61. Earnings are due. Got a 10-to-1 risk reward, risking a nickel to make 50 cents. So if it goes from 36 to 86, it hit the target. What did it do? iBio right now is 71. It went to 89 today. It hit the target. Mojo keeps on hitting these 10-to-1 trade plays over and over. And then you got guys like this right here. Go back a little bit. If you don't mind, let me just scroll back just a little bit, guys, because we got some nice things that were happening in the Mojo room today. Scandalous Melandalous. All right. You guys saw some trading this morning. If you check out my show from this morning, everybody made money. Show me the money, but you're just in 15 minutes. So you could have came in and left. Guys made $350. iBio right in there in the beginning. 115, 106, 1333. I did 3 halts on the Mojo show for the first time in history. It was amazing. 3 stocks in, halted all at the same time. Amazing. There's iBio at 87. Insane. Insane, guys. Insane. Here's right here, D Swiss. Right here, he's loving it. He's got a couple of nice swings. He had Dynatronics, was up 7%. Glow up 32. And iBio, he killed it today, up 128. Taking some beautiful profits. Mr. D Swiss. Like Swiss cheese, baby. And then VXRT, look, VXRT 296 by 3 into the Hines. Boom, 315. 315, $800 for David. Tomorrow I won't be here, guys. Alan's going to be running the show in the room with the other pros. Check that out. Be very nice. Then we've got a couple other ones moving. iBio right here. Let me show you, up 53%. Acre is today. Nice. 4 halts on the Mojo. So we did amazing this morning, guys. Amazing this morning. Some ones that I liked from this morning. Let's see. Ameren at 1503 is 1489 right now. It's a little bit lower. Crone at 545 is 626. Wow. That one's 626, dude. It's much higher. NBEV at 185 is 203. Wow. Much higher. Rad at 1206 is 1375. Wow. Awesome pick. Tilray at 1405 is 1475. Nice. Also up. A Tesla at 686 is 685, but it was 700 before. So it's a point lower, but before it was up big. And then you guys at 3460 is 3501. Nice picks, guys, huh? From that. I told you that earlier. In 2002, you had the Nile virus going to kill us. 2004, the SARS. 2005, the bird flu. 2009, the swine. 2014, Ebola. 16, Zika. And 2020, the corona. And all these stocks do the same thing on each one. It's so crazy. Crazy. Roger that, man. Brand new to trading here. What do you guys do for trading? Resources for beginners. Yeah, I gave you that video. Saga Southbound. Gave you the video. Let's see here. International brokers, yep. Let me show you some good stuff. I'm hungry. So here, guys, watch. This is the purpose of the, the Tiger Woods banner, guys. When you subscribe to my channel, you know that you get notified that I'm live. You know that, right? Good. So if you look right here, guys, I got Tiger Woods and I got myself. Tiger's the pro golfer. I'm the pro trader. You could follow me on social media. ProTrader Mike on Twitter and Facebook and Instagram. All over. Ask the cat, man. He'll tell you where to go trade.
So you're saying I can ask this cat any question? The cat is connected to the computer. You just type in the question. It will read his mind. There the answer comes. Man, looking for this for weeks.
Nice. So guys, grab some lunch and come back in 1 hour. We'll do some edutainment. Edutainment is education and entertainment. So hopefully I'm accomplishing this with you right now and you had a good lunch. We're in the Mojo Show. When you're a professional golfer, you shoot a 66, which is 6 under par, like Tiger Woods. You don't go out the same day and play more holes because the tournament is 4 days. So you go out, you shoot 66, you go home and rest, you recap the round, look at your journal, you do an interview or two on TV, on the show, you come back the next day, you shoot the same exact thing you did the same day earlier, 66. And when you do that 4 days in a row, guys, 4 days in a row, you win the golf tournament. It's the same thing for day trading, the 5 days of the week. So when you hit your goal and you shoot the 66 like we did this morning, you're done for the day. You're not trading. At any time, you can come in and shoot the 66 and hit your daily goal and be done. And you could see all the guys in the group. If you want to be a professional, you do that. Everybody loves that in the room. And Weebs, I think she left. She's a woman's trader. Did the rail grind on rad and work, avoid more stressful trading, took my slow, consistent money, now off to my other job. I wish I could stay all day. Exactly like I said. Thank you, Mike, and all you awesome traders. And that's what you can do, guys. You can come in here and trade at any given time. VXRT is moving a little bit. My screen's got some big volume coming in on the bid, 128,9,200 on the bid. They started it at 266, and they're moving up the iBio also. Both of these little ones are moving. So we got in the office today, Brad, I bagged 940 in profit on 1,940 in iBio this morning before my meetings even started. Nice, dude. Beautiful. You don't mind if I take a little snapshot of that, do you? That's another iBio testy. That's Brad. Good job, Brad. Up a little bit. Nice. We're killing it today, man. Casper says, I've been watching the university, the Mojo University, working my day job, and ZOM's my bitch in the pre-market in my swinger. You're killing it today. Great job. Ed did great yesterday and today also. iBio overnight hold. Yeah, you got some of that left from 30 cents. Don't be scared to take some profits, though. A GHSI swing pick, guys, is GHSI is doing really well. It's one of the new picks at 30 cents. It's just starting to move through the high at 36. You can see the large ask, which is bullish. Most traders don't think that, but that's what I teach that it is. And within a couple of seconds, it goes Boom, size of 50,000 comes in. He ain't coming in with big blocks. Then it goes 37, 39, 39, boom, 39, large ask right there at 40. Here she comes, 40, big old wall. Say goodbye to the wall, 40, 41, 41, 42. That's how Mojo rock and rolls. And the logo for today is on Tiger's hat right there. Very nice, Mr. Key. Mojo on the iPad, boys. Look at this setup, huh? Got the Mackie Chacky with the Trade Station. Kicking ass with the Moj on the iPad. ProTrader. Look, he's got a little Trump bobblehead. Very nice setup, bro. Very nice setup, dude. Dude, I'm standing in the driveway out there, bro. Look out the window, man. There's Mojo. Oh, I just drove by it. There you go. Peeking in there. Look at that, baby. Dude, I was in California this morning with ProTrader Batman in Santa Monica. I'm with ProTrader Doc and hanging out in his driveway out there. I'm hanging out under that tree over there. See, I love them trees. 74 now on that stock. Look, 74. Damn. APT 2090. Sick. NVAX $11. Crazy. Cray. And that's what we do, guys. So listen, I was up 195, but greedy and went negative. Exactly. Don't I teach that, Fonty? I teach that, right? That was my dare to win, then continue, and then 9 out of 10 times you'll lose it. I dared you to do that. It works, right? It works, right, Mr. Fonty? I'm going to change your name next month to the Fonz. Like Fonzie. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to call you. You're going to be Fonzie, dude. Because you're going to be freaking cool as balls. Yeah, hey. That's what I'm saying, baby. Hey. I'm the Fonz. No, someone's got to get that avatar, man. Get the fonts going. You know what I'm saying? Yup. Nice work, guys. Mike, your day and swing trades are absolutely amazing. Your system works incredible. Thank you. T-Doc. Yeah. T-Doc. 137. Been to 47 today. Picked it at 100 to go through. Touched 111 and ripped just like a stock. Apple came down to 277 stopping station, just like I told you, from 319. It was going to reverse Hines under 320, go down to 311, right under the 277 stopping station. Exactly what it did. See it? Apple on the daily, month. I was right up here at 322. I said to short it. It was going to come back down under 300 to 272 to 277 stopping station. Watch my video from 2 weeks ago. I go through every one of them. I called every one of them down. TVIX called long with a target of 90. It's 92.50. 92 freaking 50, dude. Called it right here. It's gone up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days in a row. My target was 90. Got 1,000 shares stuck in the account by accident down here. 700 at 39 bucks. So by accident, account made $250,000. And it's locked up. Can't sell it. So it's at 92. If I would have, yesterday I only would have put up 100,000. But it's locked up. Now it's at 250. You ever have that happen? 700 shares at 39 and change. Locked up. Now it's 90. 60 points. Damn spanky. Get lucky like that sometimes, you know? When you help a lot of people out, you give them your course for free instead of charging them an arm and a leg. So the 200,000, that was a gift to me on that trade. I could have made by charging everyone $2,000 on my last 100 students, and I could have made that. But I gave the last 100 students all the course for free, man. So that's what I do. Got paid back. Made an amazing luck streak right there. Absolutely. See a little roundup, shall we? Let's see this. Dude, that was cool, man. That was cool. Let's check out some of Mojo's oldest videos, dude, from 2012. And let's see what we did that day. That was when the market was crashing right here. Mojo Level 2 video on GTAT from 5 years ago has 693 views. That's probably a good one. Wow, look at this. The date, guys, is 10/7 of 2014. You can see right here. Whoops. Let me show you the level 2 trading this morning. All of a sudden, a buy signal, 50 cents. Right here. Going through that 90 and a minute selling right there. 22, so the first trade done. 89 buying, selling, buying it back. 89.90 in here. 8:43 a.m. and we want to play anticipation at 8:50. And the market's opened at 90, it gives a new signal. I call that my Gonzo trade play. Look at that, Gonzo. Still there. It's gone. 93. 97. Mojo selling right there. Rebuying it back 90 here within do that 92 again. And it goes to $1.29. Right here. This was the believe it or not, the stock is at 180. It's been to 180. Wow. It traded 197 million shares, guys. It started at 20 million when I showed it to you. Back and forth at 90. At $1 and change, it was 49 million. Now it's 197 million at $1.80 on GTAT. This is a perfect example, guys. Look, A, B, C, D in the swing at $1 is 15. Look at these picks in the swing too. Amazing, man. The Dow Jones is 16,800. Apple is 99. Twitter's 54. Nugget is 20. Lake is $10. Look, we're in Lake. And we're in NVAX and Apt because the viruses are around. Look, Camp, Lake, NVAX, Zynga, GoPro. Look at that. TKMR, Tecamera Pharmaceuticals in that one. So guys, look at the volume, 197 million shares. We're learning so much. That's why these stocks have those capabilities like an iBio and those stocks of going from 80 cents to $1.80 because we know they could trade 197 million shares. Just simply amazing, man. $199 million shares. Amazing. That's a cool video right there from the old days on the roundup from the Mojo, which we kind of loved. You know what I'm saying? My archive, baby. Dudes, that was really cool, man. That we saw those old videos that explained exactly the level of escalation on the 10x factor of volume that I teach in Mojo University that displays the same pattern of trade plays back 7 and 8 years ago and 5 years ago as it does to today. It's quite cool and amazing. 3:09 in the afternoon. What a great day. Nice to be part of the Mojo Room. Nice to be trading on the TradeX platform. It's a simple process. So Nick, if you're watching my show, you right click in this level 2 and you bring up show and hide order entry. And right there, so what you want to do is, let's say you put this on 100 shares right here with your mouse. Follow my mouse here. The number, you look 1, 400, 300, 200, 100. Click above that, put this thing on ARCA right there. Now the only buttons you have to do is market buy and market sell right here. So what I did for you is I switched this to 100. I put this route on ARCA. Now all you want to do is buy right here and sell right here. As soon as you buy, and if there's trouble selling, you're going to right click in your position thing down here, and you're going to cancel all pending orders, and then you'll be able to close any positions. That seems to be your problem sometimes. So right here, you just want to click right here, buy. Boom, it comes in. And then you click sell, and it goes out. So right there, you could see, right there, boom, boom. See? Watch. Ready? Buy. Sell. Done. That fast. Buy. Sell. See? Done. Just like that. That's how you do your buys and your sells. You don't do them that quick, obviously, but that's how you execute the orders. Right here in the demo window, If you right click, you can, this bottom part down here, you see the close all positions and pending orders, that'll just close everything. Cancel all pending orders will cancel everything, and close all positions will close your positions. See them right here? You have these three. I have 6 of them. You don't have 6 of them. And that's how it works, dude. So hope you understand and you like that video that I just made for you and you'll watch it on today's show. I got 2 puts in Tesla, 2 puts in Doll, 2 puts in AA. I already sold my first. Great job, Rush. I didn't recommend any of them, but good job, dude. Fonty, make sure you journal what you did today and don't beat yourself up and use it to learn. Correct. So guys, want to thank you for watching the Mojo Show. If anybody has any questions, just put them down in the chat. I'll definitely answer those. I like to answer anybody that has anything to say. You know what I'm saying? I know what I'm saying. And that's it, man. What else we got going on? Anybody in the room? Devon, Eternal King, and Joe Flo. Let's see who came into the room. Crypto Ninja. And Vanilla Chinchilla. Vanilla Chinchilla. Get out of here. Who else? K. How do you got this guy? He's gone. Don't come back. Delete your messages too, so no one could see that crap. Right here. So on 219 Trader Quads. So guys, it's 1 week ago. He's in a wheelchair. He's a good friend of mine. He just rang the opening at the NASCAR with all the drivers. Dude, he's world famous. Trader Quads. He bought DGLY. Said he's gonna looking to go high or close it out. Anything else looking good? I said, yeah. INO, Codex, and NNVC. One of these are going to get the vaccine. He bought Codex at 3 and change. Okay? That's the kind of shizzle that I do with the dizzle in the room. And that's it, guys. Let me see if I could find someone else that's not here. Crypto Ninja. Nice. All right, guys. So thank you so much for watching the Moj. Everybody have a really, really good night. Max shares per position reached. Yeah, you probably got you can only buy 500 shares per position. It tends you not to trade the smaller stocks. There's too much commission on the smaller stocks. Focus on the larger ones. Use your buying power to your advantage. Hope that answered your question. Look, Vanilla Chinchilla's gone. He learned so much. Hope he liked it. It didn't answer your question? Okay. You're only allowed $30,000 per position. 500 shares max. You don't understand that? That you can only put $30,000 into a trade and you can't buy 500 shares or more of any single trade. You don't understand that? Yes, you don't understand it, or no, you don't understand. You understand? Good. You're right. Yes, I understand. So I don't know if your yes means yes, I don't understand, or yes, I do understand. Do you know what I mean? Or don't you know? You understand 50-50. Okay, well, let's get you to understand 100%. Your account is $60,000 of buying power total. You can put $30,000 into any one trade. You can only buy 500 shares max per trade, and you can only have 1,000 shares open, which means you can have 2 trades. I'll show you your risk manager. Every platform has a risk manager. If you look at your risk manager, here's your risk manager. Some were set up to 1,000 because you've lost more and you've all locked. But the average guy is at 500. So here's an example for demo 43 of the parameters. I'll explain it really simple so everyone can understand. Right here is the allowed stocks. You're allowed any stock that's available for the system. It will not restrict you from a stock. Available routes. You can use any route. It won't restrict you to any route. Your BP multiplier is only when the account is live. What this means is if it's set at 1 or 10, I'll give you an example of 10. You have $1,000, you have $3,000 of equity. Your account is $10,000. Oh, I'm sorry, it's 30. You got 3 grand. You got 30 grand. So you got $30,000 that you can use per stock, but your total account has $60,000 to buy with. That means. So right there, your auto close is $500. That means after $500, you can't trade anymore. Don't lose $500. Your goal is to make $500 for the day. So if you got 3 grand and you lose $500, the next day you come in, you only have $2,500. You now have $25,000 in buying power, in equity. This multiplier will multiply it by 10. So if it multiplies on 1, if you got 3 grand and you got 3 grand and you make $100, you now have $3,100. It's 1 for 1. With the 10, if you got 3 grand, you make 100, now you have 31,000. You make 500 for the day and you're at 3,500 for the day from 3 grand. The next day you come in, you'll have 35,000 in the account for trading. You make 500 again and you're at 4,000 in your equity. When you come in the next day at 10 multiplier, you'll have $40,000 to trade with. So in the simulator, I put it at 60. Because the average guy will have maybe between 100,000 and 30 grand. So I put it in between 60. It's a good number. If you want more, let me know. You want less, let me know. It doesn't make a difference. The most you can trade for any one stock is half of the money. In any amount. If it was $1 million, you put 500,000 as the most you can do. If it's 100 grand, that's 50. Your most you can lose per day is $500. So if you've got 3 grand, you can lose every day 6 times and then you're done. You're not a day trader anymore. Go do something else. It won't work for you. But you can't lose your 3 grand in one trade like some of the other firms, or in one day like some of the other firms. They don't care if you lose your entire money in one day. They want you to, so you can re-up and keep doing it. That's what they like. Your open shares is 1,000, and your max per shares per position is 500. So any one position, the stock between 50 cents and $500, you can only buy 500 shares max. So of this one, $500 with 30 grand, you can only buy like 10 shares. Not very small. If the stock's $100 a share with 30 grand, you can buy 300 shares and trade 300. With 30 grand, if the stock was 30, you could trade up to 500 shares. That's it. It won't let you buy 1,000. If the stock is 20, you have 30 grand, but you can only put in 500 shares, which is only using $10,000. That's how this works, guys. Odd lots when you're selling are allowed. You cannot trade in the post and the pre-market. That is a complete explanation of the entire system. If you don't understand it, go back and watch it 19 times. And on the 20th time, if you don't understand it, come back and ask me again. I just told you. What's the minimum sum? Whatever you want to start with. What's the minimum? I wouldn't start with $500. You can't. The minimum's 1,000 with the firm, but that's a piker. My course costs $1,500. So the money you'd be spending for the education plus the 1,000 you'd be start with at least $3,000, guys. Gives you money. It's hard to play short stack. This, and even this gives you no room. You're too fearful. It's short stacked. You want to come with a nice amount of chips to the table. So you're just playing the trades and the cards. You're not playing your chips. Whole different ball game. Until then, get on the demo challenge. Get on the demo challenge. I got the new month coming. I just got word. I got a whole bunch of new demos coming, guys. So get on the demo challenge. And nail that sucker, man. Where is that thing? Right here. Ain't no joke. You got to get on that. So this is the MOJO Demo Challenge. Right there. Get a little something to put in there, like this. All right. You guys got to check it out. Check it out right there, guys, and investigate the MOJO Challenge. That's the end of the day. ProTrader Mike's off. Peace. I'll see you on Monday. Everyone have a good weekend. Don't miss me too much tomorrow. And later. Peace. Hope to see you aboard later. At the end of the show, guys, it's going to be 2 videos popping up there and there from the show this morning and some of my other ones. Be sure to watch that. Follow me on social media below. All links are below in the description. And subscribe to my channel up above. Until then, later. Nice seeing you. Become a killer. We want you, man.